Hi everyone, my name is Christina from Tampa, Florida. Putting a hitch on your Toyota Highlander can take you to so much cool places, like camping or bike riding. You can also tow a U-Haul trailer to almost anywhere in North America. Let's go and do this hitch installation breakdown. For the purposes of this video, we removed the spare tire, which is not necessary. Now we're gonna be on the driver's side, removing plastic underbody panel. First, we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to remove 2 plastic clips, which we're gonna save for later. The one is located on the side. Now using a Phillips screwdriver, we're gonna be removing 3 bolts, which they're located on the same side. Next to the plastic underbody panel, we're gonna be removing 2 nuts with a 12mm socket. Make sure they're completely out before you pull the plastic panel. When removing plastic panel, make sure push towards the center in order to pop clip on the side. These 3 holes are gonna be the attachment points for the hitch. Okay, now on the passenger side, using a 17mm socket, we're gonna remove 2 bolts holding the tow hook. Moving further back, we have 2 bolts, one 17mm and one is going to be removed with a 10mm socket. Also removing this metal plate that you're not going to longer need. Next, we're going to be trimming the air deflector, which we already marked from the rear of the bumper 2 inches. Next, we're gonna place our hitch in our U-Haul hitch jack. If you don't have one, you may need another person in order to help you install the hitch under the vehicle. Our next step will be lining up the holes to our attachment points under the vehicle. Back on the driver's side, we're gonna place the provided hardware that comes with the hitch. We have a bolt, and we're gonna place the conical tooth washer, and the teeth are gonna go against the hitch. So on each side of the vehicle frame, we're gonna place 3 bolts. Back here on the passenger side, we're gonna place our 3 remaining bolts. Next, we're gonna torque our hardware with manufacturer specifications using a torque wrench, 5-inch extension, and a 19mm socket. And we're gonna proceed to do the same on the passenger side. There we go. Now having the vehicle on level ground, we're gonna share with you important measurements. So from the ground to the inside top of the receiver, you have 16.5 inches. So the bumper being flush with the hitch even, this will help you decide the drop or the rise of the hitch accessories. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoy, have fun, and be safe. If you have any questions about the product seen in this video, or if you would like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.